Sales teams are crucial for scalable growth as they qualify prospects, build relationships, and provide customer-focused solutions, leading to sales increase, satisfied customers, and revenue. To excel, sales teams must understand customer needs and present their products as the best solution. Marketing, on the other hand, converts viewers into leads by creating interest and raising awareness of your company and its offerings through emotional appeal and analytics. We have designed a program to help you overcome the marketing and sales challenges your business faces, providing the necessary resources and structure for success. Let's take the first step by learning 7 sales and marketing strategies to boost growth. Defining a target market is the first step in reaching out to the right audience and providing resonating insights. Target marketing is the most effective way of reaching your active buyers in a market crowded place. After identifying your target market, develop a comprehensive buyer persona that captures the essence of your ideal customers, considering their behavior, demographics, and psychographics. It's important to differentiate between a buyer persona and ideal customer profile, as the ICP provides a broader view of your overall company profile. The next step is to target profiles identified in your research. You need to have a solid picture of your target demographic when devising your B2C and B2B marketing and sales strategies. To maximize B2C sales growth, businesses should employ effective marketing strategies and tailor their messages to increase customer conversion and satisfaction. In the B2B market, the role of B2B buyers is crucial as they are responsible for making purchasing decisions on behalf of their companies. B2B buyers are responsible for making purchases on behalf of their companies. The sales cycle in the B2B market tends to be longer, and it typically requires a high level of sales expertise, often with a deep understanding of the industry. To identify the different markets within B2B and B2C markets and categorize them into vertical and horizontal segments. Examples of vertical markets include insurance, real estate, banking, hospitals, and government organizations. Horizontal markets could be training departments, marketing, and human resources. In conclusion, identifying and categorizing markets into vertical and horizontal segments is essential for effective marketing and sales strategies. By understanding the characteristics and the needs of different industries and departments, businesses can create targeted campaigns that resonate with their customers. This segmentation allows businesses to allocate their resources effectively and maximize their sales growth in both B2B and B2C markets. To understand the dynamics in the B2B and B2C, take a hard look at the differences between the two. For example, B2B has the following characteristics. They highly focus on customer long-time value and return on investment. The sales cycles are long. Business is between two businesses. On the flip side of B2C, the following characteristics emerge. Low value, one-time purchases, short cycle sales, mostly one-time purchases, and etc. With these differences at the back of your mind, how would you proceed or enter the market? In working in the B2B space, the most effective marketing, sales, and campaign tools are the internet and the social media. This can help you to leverage customer management on your Facebook page, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This can increase customer referrals, and WhatsApp for mobile texting and messaging. Entering and succeeding in the market requires a strategic and customer-centric approach. By understanding the differences between B2B and B2C markets and tailoring your strategies accordingly, you can effectively engage with your target audience, build relationships, and drive sales growth. Through market research, leveraging technology, and continuously adapting your strategies, you can position your business for success in the ever-changing marketplace. Having done all these things, the next critical and most important thing is how to identify the buyer can be a challenge. Today's buyers have all the power, but careful observation and analysis of the social media platforms would suffice. In a person or company who visits your website multiple times, if they have identified pain points, if they reach out to the company with questions via email, phone, or a chat, if they visit you with specific questions on an expo, a networking event, or a trade show, or persistently talk about a pain, engage them. Then you can create value, provide insights, solutions, and build trust. In conclusion, identifying the buyer in both B2B and B2C market requires a combination of research, relationship building, and data analysis. In the B2B market, understanding the organizational structure and building relationships with key decision makers is crucial. In the B2C market, market research, consumer analysis, and leveraging digital marketing channels can help identify the buyer. By accurately identifying the buyer businesses can tailor their marketing and sales strategies to effectively engage with their target audience and drive sales growth. Once you have identified your target prospects, it's time to reach out to them and establish initial contact. This can be done through various channels such as email, social media, or phone calls. This step aims to introduce yourself and your company and provide some initial information about your product or service. It's important to be friendly and professional in your communication. To personalize your outreach, you will need to nail down buyer personas, define who the decision makers are at the organizations you are ideally trying to sell to. Once you have passed that stage, the next thing to do is to create a sequence of content you can share at regular intervals. If it's possible, you can get the prospect on the phone. Use that option. You may also reach out through other means such as emails, social media, in-person events, email template tools, and the meeting scheduling tool. Once you have passed the exploratory stage, the next stage could be the advice stage of the sales process. When a sales representative provides personalized recommendations and guidance, the sales representative should tailor their advice to the customer's needs and make a compelling case for their product or service. Develop a personalized sales presentation. When all is done, schedule a meeting and go through it with the client. At this stage, you may ask the prospect, does this sound like something that would be valuable to your company? Does this presentation address a specific need or pain point you face? I have addressed how business development persons can use the buyer's journey to do active research on the lead up to a purchase. If you would like to know more about how to grow your sales and get more jobs, head to the next page and do the following. 1. Scan the QR code in black and white image. The link will send you to a page for you to commence registration for our online training program. 2. Alternatively, you could click on Read More and follow the arrow to open the link in the browser to register. For emphasis, let me repeat again. If you would like to know more about how to grow your sales and get more jobs, head to the next page and do the following. 1. Scan the QR code in black and white image. The link will send you to a page for you to commence registration for our online training program. 2. Alternatively, you can click on Read More and follow the arrow to open the link in the browser to register. Thank you and hope to see you another time.